Good morning, grade 5s. Are you ready? Let's do some number sentences, and we're going to do adding and subtracting, or plussing and minusing. It's always important. Remember, guys, when you're doing maths, you always want to keep it very simple. And if you get stuck or if you get a bit confused, go back and look at it again, okay? Start back from the beginning. Make sure you understand each step one after the other, because then you will build on what you know and your knowledge will get more and more. Whereas if you're losing out some of the understanding along the way and you keep going, then you're going to get stuck and you're going to run into problems later. Okay, so let's have a look at a few things. When we're plussing and minusing basic numbers, those are pretty straightforward and easy to do, right? So let's look at an example. If we're going to say 12 minus 3 plus 5 minus 2, then we're allowed to do it from left to right, which is this way, okay? Left to right. We would say 12 minus 3, which is 9, plus 5, which is 14, minus 2, and that gives us our final answer of 12. Okay, easy peasy, right? So if we were to try and do the following, now pay attention, you got to look at the details, don't get lazy and just jump around and not concentrate, okay? So let's say we have a number 3 times 10 plus 5 times 2. Now, do you know how to do that? Which numbers do we do what with first? It kind of gets a little bit confusing, right? So we always want to do the same thing every time. We're always going to do pluses and minuses, but when we're doing multiplying or dividing, we put those numbers in brackets and we do them first. So in our number 3 times 10 plus 5 times 2, we want to put brackets around our 3 times 10 and 5 times 2. And then we're going to get the answers in those two brackets, and then we're going to add those two together. That would be the correct way to do it. So we would get 30 plus 10, and our answer would be 40. Okay, does that make sense? Pretty easy, right? So that's about it for today. We don't want to do too much in one go. And if all of this made sense, then you're ready to move on to the next video. I'll see you next time. Bye.